Hi, today we have to repair the Giorgio's machine. As we can see now, okay, the water boiler, the boiler is empty, then the electronic card is filling the boiler, but as we can see we have 10 bar. This means that we can have a problem or with the solenoid valve, water charge solenoid valve, or with some other components. Now we have to remove the top cover of the machine to check if the problem is where the problem is. Okay. Now I remove the power cord, and as we can see, we have this tube full of limestone, and this it can be a problem. Ooh, look this! It's full of limestone. It's completely full. This can be a problem because we can have limestone everywhere, and sure the solenoid valve is completely locked. Sure. Now I remove the power cord. I push down this tube, this fitting, and I remove this the igniter. Connect the plug in the machine. I have this out. I turn on the machine, and I have to check if the water goes can pass the solenoid valve. Look, the solenoid valve is completely locked. Look, no water. The water come out. Okay, we have to open the solenoid valve in this case. I have to change this solenoid valve because this is completely locked. Only for curiosity, I try to open this solenoid valve to see if it's locked. Look, in this case it locked in closed position. Okay, now it's free. We have some limestone here, and inside is full of limestone, as we can see. It's a problem. The limestone can be a problem. Also in this part of Italy we have a lot of limestone in the water. Okay, this is a new solenoid valve, and we have this part of the solenoid is straightened. Practically the solenoid valve life in limestone condition is the double than the normal solenoid valve. The code is the same, and this valve is without the treatment, and this is with the treatment. If this worked correctly for 2 years, this solenoid valve works correctly for practically the double for 4 years. It's not forever, because the limestone is a problem and we cannot solve it, but we can work to be longer the life of the machine. All the new machines have this treatment. Okay, now I remove Every time we repair a Mara, we check this tube, because it's always full of limestone, especially attached to the restrictor. Now we can try to remove it, the restrictor, and as we can see, the Teflon restrictor is partially open, and here we have the limestone. This means that the Teflon restrictor works better than the brass restrictor. We cannot use this because it's metal, we can damage the restrictor. We have to use line one of this. One. And two. Before to install the upper tube, we have to put a little bit of grease here. Okay, this is Molykote grease. Molykote. I remove this epsilon because we have also to change it. Okay, and look inside here, it's full of limestone. It is a disaster because now we have to adjust the machine and try to descale it. But descale correct a Mara, a normal Mara, is not so easy. Okay, some grease. Okay. Now I have to change, can use more the pipe. Example here, but start to this I have to change the hydraulic tube because it's full of limestone. Okay, this. Look at the difference. Okay, now we can try if the machine works correctly. We need the water tank. And we need the power cord. We have to connect the two pilot lights. And I can try. Okay, before when the pump is filling up the boiler, the pressure here reach 9-10 bar. This is the shower. Practically we have to use more pulley cuff, and once a week we have to clean, doing a backflashing the group packet, because this is the difference, the old and the new. Look also this, new and clean, and this is dirty. The limestone in the tube.